In this lesson, we will refer to the Freehand tool. With the Freehand tool, you can draw freely in SketchUp by simply clicking and dragging with your mouse. You can activate the Freehand tool from the Draw menu if you hover the cursor over lines and then select the Freehand option. Alternatively, you can simply click on the Freehand icon in the toolbar on the left to activate it. At this point, I will activate the tool to show you how it works. As you can see in the status bar, the message, "Press left mouse button and drag," appears, which means to hold down the left mouse button and drag. Notice the shapes that are being created as I drag the mouse. You can make use of this tool to create complex geometries that will help you depict an exterior scene using the tools of 3D modeling. In the next few lessons, we will elaborate on 3D modeling tools.